With the recent earthquakes striking across the globe, staying alert can make all the difference. The good news is your Xiaomi Redmi A5, running Android 15 or later, has a built-in earthquake and emergency alert system that can warn you seconds before tremors reach your area. Let's turn it on and make sure it's working properly. Open the Settings app on your Redmi A5. Scroll down and tap Safety and Emergency. Then scroll again and select Earthquake Alerts. Here, make sure the switch next to Earthquake Alerts is turned on. This activates real-time earthquake detection and alerts in your area. To test it, scroll down and tap See a Demo. Your phone will play a loud sample alert sound. This is what you'll hear during an actual earthquake warning. Tap the Stop button to end the demo when you're done. If the demo doesn't play or you never receive alerts, your emergency location service might be turned off, and this feature is crucial for the alerts to reach you. Go back to the Safety and Emergency menu and tap Emergency Location Service. Then, make sure Use Emergency Location Service is toggled on. This allows your phone to share accurate location data with emergency systems when needed. For earthquake alerts to work, your phone must also have Location turned on. From the main Settings menu, tap Location and switch on Use Location. Remember, earthquake alerts rely on real-time data, so make sure your phone has an active internet or mobile data connection for the system to function properly. Android's Earthquake Alert System is powered by Google and uses data from millions of smartphones worldwide. When your phone's motion sensors detect the unique shaking pattern of an earthquake, it sends that data, anonymously, to Google's servers. If multiple nearby phones detect the same motion at the same time, Google can confirm an earthquake is happening and send instant alerts to people in surrounding areas, sometimes seconds before the shaking starts. It's a brilliant example of how technology and community data work together to save lives. And that's it. You've successfully activated earthquake and emergency alerts on your Xiaomi Redmi A5, keeping you and your family one step ahead in times of danger. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it to help others stay protected. Check out my other Xiaomi tutorials for more smart tips to get the most out of your device. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.